TikTok is responsible for creating a lot of trends, from silly dance moves to viral skincare routines. But it's not always the best place to get trusted travel advice. A lot of the travel tips shared on TikTok are hilariously stupid, but they get insane views. So I had my wife Allie find some of the most viral ones, and today you and I are gonna separate the surprisingly clever from the extremely dumb. Let's dive in. So this is actually very clever, and it will probably work a lot of times, but your mileage will really vary, and truly it's just gonna depend on the airline you're flying and what else you're carrying with you. For example, most airlines do consider pillows, like big full-size pillows like this one, a personal item. So if, let's say you're traveling with a carry-on, this pillow could be your personal item. But if you've got, let's say, a carry-on and a personal item bag and want to bring this too, you may not always get all three. Now, neck pillows, if you're wearing them, usually don't count, but again, your mileage may vary. They also make neck pillows like this one that you can stuff with clothes, but I've even heard of this one not always being allowed because people are kind of catching on. All right, let's watch some other people bring more things with them than they need to.
Travel packing tip, always keep a tote bag empty in your luggage just in case it's overweight. It's super easy to just like dump it into this tote bag and try to figure it out once you get to the gate what you're gonna do with this extra stuff.
How much did you pack?
There you go.
51. I'd say it's smart to be prepared in the event that your checked bag is overweight. I don't think this tote bag thing is a bad idea. I just wouldn't bank on it always working for you. If you've also got a backpack on your back and a purse on your front, like the person in this video, you're gonna be walking onto the plane with 3 items, and see the point I made a couple minutes ago about that. If you're really worried about overweight luggage fees, I think a simple, lightweight, portable luggage scale might be the best thing for you. Gosh, this has 2.6 million views. Maybe we should start a TikTok. Kind of afraid to see what's next. I don't know if you know this, but airlines do not change out these vomit bags unless necessary. That means some of these things have been behind the seat for years and touched by everyone's hands. There's probably people's used gum and stuff in there.
Oh my God, ew, David.
Now you're rubbing it on your phone, which you later rub on your face to make a phone call. I think it's pretty genius, but couldn't you also do the same thing with like any piece of paper?
Wow, I never would have thought of that.
But I totally understand wanting to make the in-flight entertainment experience more enjoyable, and today's sponsor does exactly that. This is the Connect Air Pro by Me Audio, and it allows you to pair your Bluetooth headphones to anything. When I'm flying, I love to watch a movie on the in-flight entertainment system, but I'd rather use my noise-canceling headphones than the one the plane hands out, and that's where the Connect Air Pro comes in. It's a transmitter that lets you stream audio wirelessly to any device with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Just plug it into the in-flight entertainment system, pair it with your headphones, and you're all set. But get this, it's also a receiver. So if, let's say you get a rental car that doesn't have Bluetooth or a way to connect your phone, now you can play audio from your paired device through the car speakers. It's like the 2025 equivalent of those old tape deck things that we used to have back in the day. And hey, for a limited time, you'll get an extra discount on Amazon with the coupon code AWAYTOGETHER. Big thanks to Me Audio for sponsoring today's video. Next up, middle seat sucks. If a dude did that, he would get punched. The unspoken rule is that the person in the middle seat is entitled to both middle armrests, but that's not written on your ticket or anything. The Points guy actually interviewed flight attendants, a designer of airplane seats, and other folks to get the scoop on who these armrests actually belong to, and popular opinion, she's right. I just wouldn't do it that way. Now let's move on to some sneaky hacks, a category that seems to ask, much can I get away with before someone catches me?
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know?
What? So she's not wrong. The TSA isn't counting your bags. The TSA's role is really just keeping you from bringing prohibited items. The airline is the one who cares how many things go on the plane and how much they weigh and all that stuff. Now, we don't know how many other bags she's carrying with her. She could just be choosing to wear her personal item under her jacket. I doubt it. I'd call this clever, but I'd also call it lying. Alex, the video guy, is it lying or stealing? Maybe a bit of both?
It's both.
Maybe a bit of both. I don't advise concealing a bag anywhere in the airport, regardless. How big is that bag? Yeah, of course it is. And now we've come to the grand finale of overpacking hacks, sneaking an entire checked bag onto an airplane. It's bold, it's ridiculous, it honestly makes me sad to know that this has been seen by over 15 million people. Like, what am I doing on YouTube? Listen, that's a checked bag, no question, and please don't try this. You are really gambling if you try this that you get an unattentive gate agent or that you're flying an airline that doesn't enforce their carry-on requirements. And then let's say you do get through. What are you gonna do with this thing when you get on the plane? Try this in Europe or Asia, I dare you. Bag sizer with a scale. Charged to check it. Walk of shame. Friends, I hate to say it, but the best way to not have to pay for a checked bag is to know your airline's rules and pack less. And now that so many travelers are traveling carry-on only, airlines are getting way stricter about their policies. And so if you have any confusion or questions about what is or isn't allowed on the plane, I would watch this next video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy travels.